Hi everyone, I just want to quickly share with you the fabulous web exclusive dies for Blissful Haven from Two Red Robins. Now this is an incredible, beautiful collection. I know you're just going to absolutely love it, but the web exclusives go with that main kit so well. They just work beautifully. I'm going to share with you quickly before I go into detail of some of the dies. Look at some of these projects that you can be creating with this. I mean, look at the bed with all of the little bunnies snug, tucked up at night. This is a story. This is chapters from a book. These are core memories for grandchildren that are being created here. These are exquisite. And as well, look at the scenery that's being captured, whether it's going to be a beautiful window in the background or a bunch of beds together with them all in their little nook, snuggled up together. You can create cards with real stage presence with this particular collection. And again, these web exclusives, they're the cutest ones I think I've ever seen with this. I mean, look at this bed here. This is a shape itself being turned into a card. Now again, this accompanies your main kit exquisitely. It just works. But look at the stories that are being told. But let's go straight into the dies themselves. So we're gonna go right into it, okay, with bedtime. Now look at these. Now your bedtime dies, these are nested dies that you get with this one. So you can see with the die itself, it goes right down to the teeny tiny one. Again, all built in perspective because we have gatherings on here, which I'm going to go and show you a little bit later on. But all of this is then built down to create this. How cute is it? And I love as well that these have been included right down to the teeny tiny ones. So no design element is being compromised in any shape or form when it comes to giving you the detail with the scaling of these. So again, creating that perspective, creating a vanishing point, making it, in the foreground or the background, you can really play with it. So again, if you're wanting to add different sizes of those beds in the project, whether it's going to be loads of different layers, you can do it with those. So again, in your web exclusives collection, you have got bedtime, really, really cute die within there. And again, within that one, you're actually going to be getting all together. With this one, I mean, look at all of the dies here. You're getting 6 dies, okay? Now, then we're going to go on to Storytime Gathering. Fabulous, fabulous collection. Because again, with a gathering, you get the sizes, you get the options. Now, I'm going to share with you the die itself. I mean, look at this. A Swift with all of this detail in. Look at the chairs. You've got different sizes in there, the characters themselves. But you want to see the artwork. You want to see what you're actually going to be working with this. Look at her here on the rocking chair, sat reading her story time books, ready for bedtime, getting snug. Look at how deep and majestic the colour tones are within this artwork. They're so atmospheric, they're dramatic, but they're their authenticity to that old world nook that you find with these really cute little animals. So again, that there is your fabulous Storytime Gathering. And again, that's a Swifted die with 10 die cuts that you're getting from that singular die itself. Now look at these, Baby Bunny Gathering. Aren't they literally just the cutest things ever? I mean, they just make me smile the second I see them. It puts a smile on your face, it gets you crafting. This is one die, okay? One die with 8 die cuts in here. So you can see straight away your Swift, a single run through on your machine. You're gonna get all of this fabulous creativity here to play with. And again, even the bedtime storybook being held on the front there in the little bunny's hands. I love it. I think it's fabulous. And you just need it with your collection. This is really what ties it together. It's the glue and the heart of the new Two Red Robins chapters that you're getting. Now within here as well, you're also going to be getting Hutch in the larger scale as well. So you can see here that bedtime story. This can be a focal point. This can be an element that's really going to stand proud on your projects. And again, with him himself, you get your outline die. And of course, you also get the detailed cut within here. So maybe he's going to be standing just at the front here with his little bedtime hat on, about to tell the story to all the little bunnies, all snug and tucked up in bed. Really, really cute, this one. And then on the website, I'm going to share this with you as well. You can download, of course, reverse reflections, meaning you can have spinning cards, you can have dynamic interest to your cards, giving you that reversed element, even down to the background, even down here. So you're going to be making little twins out of these ones if you want to. You can do so much with it, but it gives you that extra element of interest, creativity, scored and folded in half, ran through your die cutting machine. Straight away, it will sandwich both layers of that card together. Of course, you can separate it and glue it if you want to, but it almost bonds the fibers of the paper, giving you a stronger cut, but one again that is so dynamic within your papercraft and card making. And that runs through with a theme, of course, for your web exclusives, giving you all of that artwork in that reversed imagery. Check it out. It's on the website. It is fabulous. You're going to love it. But again, this is Two Red Robins Blissful Haven Web exclusive. So you're going to love it. You're going to enjoy it. Thank you so much for joining me. The link will be in the description to the video for all products that you've seen within the web exclusive. So please do go and have a look and, get it while it's there. See you later. Bye-bye. If you want to see more from Highlight Crafts, make sure you click the like button, subscribe by clicking the subscribe button below, and click the bell icon to receive notification of all our future content. You can also click here to see our latest video, or click here to see more videos like this one.